Okay, I think I've found the easiest way to remove and replace the battery on this UE boom. It's a couple of years old, and there are some tutorials out there that are very complicated. Since this is so old, and we've already voided the waterproof and warranty stuff, I'm just trying to get the battery out as quick as I can. So what I've done is I've taken a flat scalpel, a candle, and I've removed a plastic tab here that is in pieces here just by cutting through. So this plastic tab, which you can just melt through, is normally located right here. Yeah, and that keeps the plug from being pulled out. So you get your scalpel nice and hot, make two cuts, one this way and one this way right here, and using the pair of forceps, grab onto it, maybe while you're still cutting it, pull that out, and then once you've removed this tab, it's very easy to extract the plug, and thus your battery. So no soldering required. Get your replacement battery, put it in there. You can see the contacts right here. Try to zoom in. There's where the plug goes, and normally this piece of plastic sits right here, so you're unable to pull that out. So with a good pair of forceps, when you get your new battery, just push it straight on in there, and you should be good to go.